Photo G. For Photo G, you use Photo G to make a mock-up of a logo, meaning a logo should be already made using Pixel Lab or any other app, Canva or PixArt. So you open your Photo G, you tap on new project, then you tap here, you are seeing text, back, stickers and tools. Down here you tap on stickers, then you tap, after tapping on stickers, you tap on insert from gallery, then you choose without crop, then you go, it takes you to your phone folders, then you look for a folder of Pixel Lab. My logo that I designed using Pixel Lab is here. It should be transparent. So you tap on, after bringing it into Photo G, you tap on text size. You can see add text, edit text, then you tap on text size, then you adjust the text, you add the text. Let us make it this one, then you bring it in the middle, you hold it and bring it in the middle. After, you tap on these three dots within the right corner, you choose convert to 3D mockup. After you tap here, after tapping there, remember you are using data. After tapping there, these are different mockups. The mockup you see with a blue and a gray color, meaning that one is free. The one which doesn't have both, it is premium. So you are going to use a free mockup, not a premium one. For example, let us choose, which one should we choose? Let me choose one from here. Let me choose this one of, so after, you are going to tap here, you are going to tap on the blue button. After tapping on the blue button, you say accept, then it will load an ad. Just leave that ad to play until it gets finished. Leave it to play, because if you cancel the ad, Photo G will not give you the mockup. So you just leave the ad to play. Yeah, the ad is playing. So whenever the ad gets finished, it brings you another ad. So you tap on X, then it's saying please wait, then it's uploading your mockup. Then it says successfully sent to the server. Then you will tap on this text, tap there, then the mockup is being loaded. It brings an ad, you cancel the ad. So this is our mockup that has been done. It is a mockup logo. When you want to download it, you tap here, you choose this part, then you download. So it is saved into your phone storage. That's all for you can also use a different mockup if you want. For example, let me choose another mockup here. Let me choose, for example, let me choose this. Let me choose this one. For example, let me choose this one. You tap on accept, you leave the ad to play. Don't cancel the ad, please. Leave it to play. After you tap on X in the right corner, it's saying please wait, it's uploading the mockup. Then you place on this text. It's loading your mockup. This is the design that has been given out. So you download, you tap on the black text, it's downloading. Save to the gallery. That's how we shall be using Photo G for 3D mockup logos.